calm space your master bedroom is
thank
after
you.
a long day, and this king-size bed with all of this beautiful linen that you said you got from Claudia.
And the bed's from Henson Galleries, and Beth Bedoin did the pillows on the bed and recovered the bench and did some pillows here. And then Sally Wilder had already done these chairs and these cute pillows, so we kept those. And Sally did the wallpaper. And
So pretty, the stripes, kind of a metallic.
It's really pretty, and I love that we did a darker trim in this room. It makes it really, really fun. And then I got all of these prints at a thrift store and just reframed them.
Okay.
So that was fun.
And this little etagere thing with
Sally Wilder, and just that added touch. And we just threw up some picture frames of the girls and a few little silver things here and there.
And then you've just got simple wood blinds.
Simple wood blinds. Just Sally Wilder picked those as well, and they're just easy. And the draperies were here from a long time ago. They've been in this bedroom much longer. We had a different bed. We had different, bedding on the beds, and then we just switched it up. But we kind of worked around the draperies.
And what I love too is you've got to add some balance. You've got matching lamps, but then don't be afraid to add different bedside tables.
Yes, different woods.
But balancing it with matching lamps. And then this piece behind you. This is an outdoor piece.
Isn't this fun? It's an outdoor piece that Sally Wilder had, and I believe Allison Wickham painted it.
Okay.
And then Sally had the little stool and the fabric, and then we just threw some little silver things up there as well. And Sally had the mirror.
It's like a little Venetian glass.
Yes, and I love it. I'd always wanted one of those.
And then just lying in bed, you've got your beautiful mahogany dresser with your TV. And once again, it's just, and the view outside.
Yes,
can't forget that.
View. But
you'll
notice we have a pool fence. We have a pool fence up now.
Grandbabies, we've had to add
that. So we've got our pool fence up.
It's just such a beautiful, soothing space. Looking out onto
it really is.
Water.
It really is. And again, you can open these doors if you're entertaining and someone's spilled in here by chance. You could just open up and go outside through this door as well.
So coming down this hallway that we just left off your master, comes into your your guest room.
Yes.
But this little hallway has some Columbus artists. We've got
it sure does.
Marcel, who was the head of Big Eddie.
Yes.
Marcel Carl's here. And then our
look who's right here.
Roberto Caligaris at the top.
Yes, we sure do.
1995.
Look how talented. How talented. He needs to be doing some more of that.
Of a street scene of his home country.
Yes, it's gorgeous. Look at the colors. I love the colors.
Your guest room, I would love to stay here. This is such a soothing spot. I mean, right out into your pool again, a little veranda out there, but just beautiful, just light greens and whites, a soft color palette. And I love this Jan Miller.
Jan Miller did that of the girls, and I just love that. We were at the beach, and that was just from a snapshot.
Okay.
So from a picture I had taken. And the snapshots were from the old days.
There you go. And then these you said came from Columbus
Exchange from Libba Dillon. I sure did get those off the Exchange. I love the Columbus Exchange. And the lamps are Sally Wilder.
Oh, those are pretty. Just with a soft green lampshade. And then just soft neutral curtains that you've got over there. And then behind you've got that fabulous Marge Tilley.
Isn't that pretty? I love that painting. Well, I love all of them. Anything with some fun color.
And the way it's framed is spectacular.
Janet Kemp framed that years and years ago when she had Gardner Galleries, and it's just beautiful. And they're lilies, and I love lilies.
And then these chairs that Allison Wickham
she painted those. She sure did.
So just kind of.
And those pillows are from the Columbus Exchange as well.
Oh, okay, there you go. So yeah, just adding in that soft green palette here, and then. What a fabulous painting.
Isn't that
Lily Martin has done.
Lily Martin Wallace. This was, I got this from Fine and Funky at Valley Fabrics years ago before Lily was married.
Yes, because it's got her
baby name on there.
Yes, and now she's, Lily Martin Wallace.
Yes.
Big time now.
Yes.
Big time. But once again, another Columbus artist. So and then what a fabulous bed.
Isn't that pretty? I got that bed as well from Valley Fabrics. and fun and funky.
Just a beautiful traditional four-poster
And I
bed.
loved it because we don't have another four-poster bed in this house. Some of our ceilings are too low, so we could fit one up here, so that was nice.
Yeah, it's just a cozy spot up here, kind of away from everybody, and yeah, nice little retreat for guests.
It is, yeah. And they've got a TV, which I know isn't very pretty, but you know, like you said, it's what it is. You know, you do need to have one. So we love it up here.
Such a fun little vestibule area that goes into your main family room, but this, to me, this is what is so special about this home. It's a family home, and you've made space for all your daughter's art.
This,
correct,
is all my favorite art. All my favorite art is in here. All three of the girls did, you know, this art when they were at school, and Lily gave me blonde hair when I didn't really have blonde hair when it was still brown, but now she knew that was going to happen to me when I got older. I was going to have to go blonde. But I love all this, and this is truly, this art to me is priceless.
And some of your
animals.
And
those are our animals, and that was our old English sheepdog when she had to get a bad haircut. And that was our first dachshund, Bertha, and those are so fun. And they did all this at school. You know, they have such a great art program.
Brookstone really does have a great art program.
Really, really do.
And then I like how you just have this simple Colleen here that picks up on a lot of these colors. It just kind of...
This rug is from the Columbus Exchange as well, and this is from Chris Harmon's house.
Okay, see, you've got a good eye of finding things on there. Yes.
I love finding things on there.
What was once the kids' playroom when they were little is now evolved into a little bit more dressier room, but still a fun casual
and they
room.
Still hang out with their friends in here, you know. Well, they did, you know, two of them are married now, but Lily and her friends will still hang out in here.
And then you said Betsy had the idea of flipping it.
Yes, Betsy Ilges
was there.
We flipped the room, and it was a great decision. I mean, it was a great decision. And then you know, Betsy did a lot of the fabrics in here.
Okay.
Some things came from Valley.
Okay.
And Nan Kanzi did the tiles over there, but they're plastic. That was what's so great about those. We had them in the playroom, and when I first saw them, I thought they were going to be too heavy, and what if they were to fall? They would really hurt someone. But they're super lightweight.
Oh, and I love it because it just, everything is so soothing and neutral, and just adds something unexpected, this pop of color.
You know, Sally Wilder had a part of this room as well. She had this pretty table. I think the lamps were from Valley.
Oh, these? Okay.
Yes, I think I just grabbed those from Valley.
And your sweet
little,
look. All your photos again. You really do. All the photos are in here. Just family is of utmost importance to you. I can tell.
It is so important. Yes, it is so important.
Sweet nursery you
have.
Isn't
this fun?
Emily, with your two little boys. So this was whose room now?
This was Lily's room. And so we brought her with a larger bed and a larger TV. We had twin beds in here. And then we kept one in here. And it's got some beautiful Lily Wallace fabric. And then Amy Ward did the beautiful monogramming.
That's beautiful.
I know. Didn't that turn out really pretty? And then
the valance is the same.
Yes.
The Lily Wallace fabric up on the valance. And then these you said came from Park Place,
and I love them. They're so
like
soft.
Beach
yeah,
scene.
It's kind of like a beach scene.
And this sweet little wallpaper, the blue
I know Beth Bedoin helped with this wallpaper and the mirror. I love the mirror.
And then just placing your little crib right here, and then your rocker.
Oh, you gotta have a
very comfortable recliner.
Yes,
walker.
Very comfortable. And I got the lamps from Beals.
Okay.
And of course the chest was Lily's chest, and we kept it, and it's from Allison Wickham painted that years ago, and this was from Sally Wilder, that added touch.
And I love, and everything, all your colors pick up on the fabric. So you got your blues and your pinks. So if one day you have a girl grandchild, so you're not just all blue or all pink. And then tell me who did that. You said
Meg Harris. She's another local artist, and she is wonderful. She's done several things for us, and we've loved all of them.
And then just adding some china again above your TV to kind of soften it.
I found those at Scott's one weekend.
It's just such a great space because it is important. You're in this room a lot with a baby.
I'm in this room a lot, and I wanted to have this room, and I wanted, since Emmy's out of town, I wanted to make sure I had a room where she can just bring the baby and not have to load up all her things. So we all kind of bought the same things at the same time.
So Lily used to have what is now the nursery, and so you said you bribed her with a king size bed.
With a king size bed and a larger TV.
And a larger TV.
And a bathroom that's right in her bedroom.
And it's just so pretty, just and do you know the color of the walls that you've used?
You know what? This is,
some of them you said were string by Farrah.
Yes, and this one is not string. This was a white that we chose, and I really cannot remember the name of this white.
But it's so pretty because
it's a nice white.
But your whole home has these nice neutral color walls, which really allows for everything to stand out. So you've got a Joe Ferris.
Yes, and I love that one.
And did Allison refinish?
Allison did. She sure did. I have had that chest forever, and that was from that Added Touch. Let's see, the lamps I think are from that Added Touch as well, but then the shades are just Ballard shades.
And then you've got some of your little porcelain plates and your beautiful linens.
And those are from Valley.
And then my favorite piece.
Oh, is that one my mother did.
Yes, Miss Sally Adams.
Yes, and I love that I have that. And this was, once Caroline's bedroom, and Caroline picked that for her room.
So Emmy's room now that she's married.
She's married.
This is their room. So tell me about some of the fun fabrics in here. Lily Wallace.
Yes, there's a beautiful, we actually have 2 Lily Wallace fabrics in here. The bedding is from Claudia, again, and it's so pretty. Look at that pretty monogram.
This is beautiful.
Claudia
it's kind of a mint green.
And Beth Bedoin did this room. She did the wallpaper.
And it's like a grass cloth.
Isn't it fun?
Very pretty.
It's a real fun geometric type grass cloth. And then we have the scarf. That's a scarf that I bought from Ansley Forsberg, and 2 sisters framed it for me. And I love they used plexiglass for glass so it wouldn't be so heavy.
That makes sense.
Yes, it's a lot of sense.
And so this is the Lily Wallace fabric here, and then you've got it on the love seat with another fabric.
Right.
And then tell me, and then you color drunk, right? Jenna Gross.
Jenna, she had those for sale online. The pretty cool, they're really cool Kate Spade lamps. And then the end tables she had from a show house that she had done. And so I got those online on the Columbus Exchange. She had listed them on the Exchange.
Such a good resource.
It's so good, so good. And then, this little love seat I got from like a yard sale or estate sale and just had it recovered.
And it's the perfect scale for this room.
It's the perfect scale for this room.
And then this beautiful little pine chest.
That pine chest is from that Added Touch. And then my mother actually did these paintings. She sure did.
So some more Sally Adams over here.
Yes.
So sweet.
It's so sweet.